Hey, daily retreaters. Brandon Michael. We back for video number 2. About to change this messy massacre to a masterpiece. Song Mike's 10-tier shoe rack. It's easy to assemble, as you can see. Clears up a lot of space. I have limited space in my closet, so here we go. Fairly priced. I got it for $39.99, but I think the price went up to about $45 at this point. And I will be putting a link to the Amazon in the description. What caused me to get this is, like I said, my closet was a mess. All the shoes you saw at the beginning, that's how they were scattered in my closet. And I'm a pretty organized guy, but when it comes to clothes and shoes, it's kind of all over the place. So I decided, I needed a shoe rack. I needed somewhere to put the shoes. And as you'll see later on in the video, man, I also have a few of the individual shoe boxes that you got to put together. But because of cost and ease, I chose this shoe rack. It's a lot easier to put together, a lot cheaper. Those individual boxes might have been about $5 to $6 a box. And with all the shoes that I have, I would have been spending a ticket on that. So nah. As you can see, reading the instructions, putting it together piece by piece. Trying to figure some things out. At the beginning of it, man, I put a couple of the little connectors upside down. And once I switched that, it was pretty easy to assemble. Like I said, man, reminder that every video is related to building your own daily retreat, man. We going from the ground up, man, building this everyday vacay. So it's a lot of videos of me building piece by piece of these little things. Like I said, I'm an everyday person, building my own everyday vacay, man. Just so in these moments to where the world is getting you down, we in this COVID, we in the quarantine, you want to be peaceful. We making our house a place of peace. Piece by piece. Piece by piece. Boom, boom, boom. You see, I started using my brush as a hammer, but I messed up my brush, so I had to go get my actual hammer. Let me put some chunks in the back of my brush, but it's all good. Boom, boom. So this repetitive, 4-step or whatever, this is all it was, I had to fit my shoes to make sure it fit my shoes, man. Because originally on the picture, man, it looked like it was mainly made for women's shoes or smaller shoes, but I wear 11 and 11 and a half, and they fit just fine. So I'm sure probably up to a 13 or so, you might be Gucci. Anything above that, is a heightened size, so. And I think you might be good with those two. It's a lot of leeway, with these shells. Bada bing, bada boom. One more shoe check. Loving the wave check, I'm gonna do some things to my bathroom, man. It's pretty spiffy as it is, but I was trying to change up things here and there, so. Organization, man. Like I said, I'm pretty tidy, but organization has been something, that I've been working on these last few couple years, man. And this is a part of it. As I'm completing it, doing the last steps, putting the cover on. One thing, do not try and iron that cover. Don't do it. You might steam it, but here's the finished product. All lined up, color coordinated. walkway within my room. And these are my individual boxes, and it took me way longer to put those together than this whole rack. So there you have it. Like, subscribe, links are in the description. You know, Brandon Michael, G Bird, step by step, from the ground up.